Hey everyone, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. Today is a beautiful day and I've waited until it's a little bit cooler out. It's now almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're past the hottest part of the day. It was just too hot earlier to come out here and do any work, but today we are going to be working in the chicken run. We are expecting a lot of rain over this next week, so I want to get some work done in there to help minimize the mud that we get in front of the gate and in front of the chicken door. So what we're going to be doing today is moving some pavers, leveling out some dirt, adding some gravel, and just making it a little bit cleaner of a space. And Mr. Desi's going to help me. Yes, that's a broom. All right, so let me go show you a little bit more in detail what we're going to be doing today. Let's go. So here is our coop and run, guys. This is where we come and go from the run. Hi, ladies. Where are you at? There you are. Hi, Brooks. And so this is a very common they're following me. So this is a very common area that the birds are in, that we are in. And what I want to do is I'm going to move these pavers. What are you doing? Those are my boots. Anyway, so we're going to be moving these pavers over here because I eventually want this shed to be for food storage. So the garbage cans that hold our feed will eventually be in here. I want the lid to come up, or the roof to come up, and the front of it to fold down for easy access. So I'm going to put the pavers in front here, and I'm going to move the waterer around back here on some pavers because eventually I want that hooked up to a rain gutter that we're going to put here, so that it's collecting rainwater and I don't have to fill it with a hose. So first things first is we're going to clean up this back spot, level it out, move the pavers from here to here, and level this out for pavers as well. And then once those are moved, we will level this out a little bit and put down some gravel that I had left over from the garden beds. So let's go ahead and get the wheelbarrow and a flat shovel and get to work. Alrighty guys, so Operation Move Everything is done. And true to my phone's character, it decided to wimp out and die on me halfway through the job. So it missed the ending, but I will show you guys what I finished so far. I had to take a break, get some water, and cool down a little bit because even though it's now 5:18, it is still really humid here today in Pennsylvania. So you guys gotta remember to stay hydrated. It's super important. So I'm gonna finish getting a drink here, get my boots back on, and then I will show you all of the pavers that I moved, the new water setup, and then we'll move on to phase 2 of this project, which is the gravel. Alright, so here's what we got done. We got those glass doors moved. We got all of the pavers moved from here. The girls are having a ton of fun digging up all the worms that were under there. And then over here, we got this section nice and smoothed out, so when this becomes our feed storage area, I'll have a nice, not so muddy section to stand on. And then over here is where the water is now set up, and there's the concrete slabs all around it as well to help with some of the mud issue. And then, like I said, this gives me prime opportunity to hook it up to a gutter at some point so that I can harvest the rainwater and use the rainwater to water my chickens, and I won't have to drag a hose around. So the next step is to dig this out and level it a little bit, and then put the gravel down so that this area that is a high traffic area doesn't get as muddy. I know it's not foolproof because they're chickens and they poop everywhere, and they scratch up everything, so it's definitely not foolproof, but I figure it is better than nothing. So let me get you guys set up here and we will start fixing up this side of the coop here. the finished product. Gate opens and closes nice. Again, there shouldn't be any more mud issues being tracked into the coop. This gives me a nice clean spot to walk. Over to these slabs and over to these slabs, which means I won't be getting muddy-ish. Yeah, I think that looks a ton better, if I do say so myself. Much better indeed. Alright guys, I am a hot, disgusting mess, so I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, remember to grow where you're planted.